Welcome to ClearSlide Tutorials. Ready to instantly start your meeting? Whether scheduled, on the fly, or in person, use ClearSlide's online meetings to instantly and effectively conduct your meetings. With no downloads or complicated logins for your viewers, instantly choose the content you like to share and get started. You can instantly start a meeting in a number of ways. Hover over a recently used piece of content and click the Start Meeting icon. Hover over the Quick Start plus sign button and click Start Meeting, or expand the Meetings menu on the left and click Start Meeting. Not sure where to direct your viewers? Provide viewers with your personalized viewer link and watch as they join your meeting. Keep in mind viewers can only see what is within this area in the red box, which means that you have a range of tools to work with invisible to everyone but yourself. Use the Presentation drop-down menu and select the content you like to share. The slide tray allows you to jump around in the presentation without having to click through each slide. Scroll through your slide tray to find the slide you want to present next. Your viewers will see a seamless transition from the previous slide to the next. Reviewing more than one presentation on your call, you can switch between presentations seamlessly with your viewers being none the wiser. Jump around from presentation to presentation during your meeting using the Presentation drop-down menu. Your viewers will see the title slide of the new presentation before you choose your next slide. Quickly and easily answer questions or switch between topics by seamlessly switching between presentations. Use the drawing tool to highlight important points on your presentation and the areas you want to bring attention to. This will not edit your content in any way. To remove the highlights, simply click the drawing tool icon or move on to the next slide. Use Screen Share to show your viewers something on your computer or browser. To get started, click the Screen Share icon, select the screen, application window, or Chrome tab you would like to share, and click Share. From the screen you are sharing, go back to your Meeting tab where you can always pause, choose another screen, or stop by using the Screen Share control panel. You can also jump or go back to your presentation by selecting one from the Presentation drop-down. The webcam is available for you and your viewers to use. The webcam images will appear on the bottom left of the meeting window. There are a few ways to call into the meeting. Use the headset Join Audio button, which joins over the internet. You can use the Call Me feature to receive a phone call that will join you to the conference line. Click the phone receiver icon, type in your phone number, check Join as Leader, and click Call. Or you can dial into the meeting with the number shown below, which will prompt you to enter the access code as well as your leader PIN. Call feature may not be turned on for all organizations, so please reach out to your ClearSlide administrator for more information. Enter the account or customer name here for analytics purposes. And if you have our Salesforce integration, meeting information logs automatically to the record you link it to. Enable access codes when sharing confidential information or secure your back-to-back meetings, so viewers from your next meeting won't accidentally join early into your previous meeting. Viewers who join your secure meeting will need to enter the access code in order to see your presentation. You can always email the access code ahead of time or recite it to them at the beginning of the call. Select the system-generated code or enter one of your own. Make sure to click Save. To record your meeting for training or review purposes, make sure to click the Record button at the beginning of your meeting. Want to know who's joining your meeting? Request viewer info to find out exactly who's joining your meeting, or gather contact information from all attendees for follow-up. Requesting viewer info will prompt viewers to fill out a form that asks for information of your choosing before allowing them to join. Click Request Viewer Info and select or customize a field with the option to require it. You can always cancel the request by clicking the Cancel Request button. The red or green dot on the left of each viewer's name indicates their current level of engagement with your meeting. The red dot indicates the viewer may not be fully engaged, and this is a great opportunity to ask questions or move on to the next slide. The green dot means the viewer is engaged and you have their full attention. You can allow your viewers to share their screen. Be sure to check out our tutorial on how to allow your viewers to screen share. The messages icon allows anyone in the meeting to write questions or comments visible for everyone on the call to see. These messages will be logged to your meeting recap. The notes icon allows you to take notes during the meeting only visible to you as the leader. These notes will also be logged to your meeting recap. Be sure to click End Meeting to end your meeting, and fill out the pitch recap with your notes and next steps. Your meeting recap page is where you'll get actionable insights into the success of your meeting and how your audience responded. If you recorded your meeting, the video will be in the Playback tab. The video playback and clipper features let you quickly jump to key moments of recorded calls to share with colleagues and customers as short video clips for easy consumption. The Engagement tab provides you with moment-by-moment insights into your meetings. Click on a viewer's name to view her engagement against the average, and target any areas of interest in your next conversation. The blue line represents the selected viewer's engagement, and the gray line represents this meeting group's average engagement. Hover over the graph to see how engagement changed based on the content you shared, and use it to inform the topics of your follow-ups. Scroll down to see the contents you used during your presentation. Attendee Data will show the information you collected from your viewers when you requested viewer info, downloadable to a CSV file by clicking this link. Chat and Notes tab contains the messages between you and your viewers and any notes you took during the call. Augment them with post-meeting notes to highlight follow-up actions, call out points of interest, or add context to the call topic. Don't waste any time taking your next step post-meeting. Use the Share button to share the video of your meeting and content used during your presentation. If you recorded the meeting, use ClearSlide's video clipping tool to isolate key moments of the call to share, or share the entire video. Checking this box will include a summary deck of all content presented in your meeting. Make sure to check Send View Alerts to get notified when recipients view your link. Adjust the link options, then click Create Link and Copy to Clipboard, and paste the link in an email. Or send your follow-up email from ClearSlide with Compose Email. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to check out our other tutorials in the Help Center.